Good morning, my name is Dr. John Kwon. We have here Abel. He's the first time into our practice here at West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. I'm going to demonstrate what kind of adjustment he will be getting. He will get a Y-STARP adjustment at the very end. And we're going to demonstrate how adjustment looks like in my office. Alright, here we go. We're going to use this table to go up and down. We're going to drop pieces on him. Scoot down just a little bit for me. Perfect, just like that. Awesome. Okay, but this is what the piece we dropped like earlier, and then push down here. We're going to push down like that. We're going to do that 3 more times here, because you do have a neck that's kind of straight. Or just as your spine will help prevent the future wear and tear to your joint. Improve your quality of life. Most of the time people sleep better when they get these chiropractic adjustments.
Sounds great.
It's good, right? Awesome. And we get the adjustment, it helps you deal with stress. If you feel like there's a lot of stress in your life also, it just gets you out of pain, all fit pretty nicely. When we remove these nerve drains on your spine, the body has the natural ability to heal itself. That's what it's designed to do. Awesome. Just Abel, first time to come into our office and first time get adjusted, so I'm kind of excited for him to get better. He has a low back pain. After doing some yard work, and we're going to improve that low back pain he has. Good. Awesome there. Awesome there. Let's go check something here. Good. Your left leg's kind of short, so I'm going to adjust your left leg's kind of short now. Good. Awesome. Awesome there. Awesome there. Awesome there. Awesome there. Let's go take a look. Just even your leg out nicely. So, nice. Your right leg's kind of tight, so I'm going to get the right leg for you. Oh yeah, nice. That felt a lot better on your lower back, better. So I'm gonna do a few more drop here for you. Awesome there. Take a deep breath in and hold your breath. Just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Good. Breathe out. That was nice. You like that? It's good.
Yep.
Alright. Good. Come on this side to adjust the other side. Good. Well, can you turn and face me, please? We'll lay on your side, please. Have you sleep on your side. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Just like that. You're doing great. Bring it here. I'm going just like that, okay? Breathe, deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Good, good, good. Oh, nice. Other side for me. If he's liking this, I think he's gonna love it.
Yes, this is great.
I feel love good. Also, chiropractic is great for everyone that has a spine. But just my own kids once a week, my wife too. It's really awesome. Breathe in, breathe out. Good, good, good. Anybody face up? Awesome, good. Good, perfect. I like to go and adjust your whole extremity for you, so you just relax. It's gonna feel good since you do computer work quite a bit. This helps your fingers. Awesome there. Come on this side and do the same thing. Awesome. Awesome. That felt good, man.
Yep.
Good. Perfect. Get your ankles here. These are light table. Awesome. Awesome. Woo, that was a nice one. You tell me I know that. It feels good. You don't have to tell me. That's a knee adjustment. Here it goes. A low back adjustment. Just relax. I'll separate the head. Oh, that was a beautiful one. That was a nice one. You like that too. Awesome. Okay. Just right here. Awesome there. Alright, now you get this beautiful thing called Y-STARP. Demonstrate Y-STARP on here. Heads up.
Oh yeah, I've seen this before.
Good, we're gonna do that on you. I'm gonna distract your spine, make you look taller and skinny. How about that? Sounds like a plan, right? Now, when you adjust you, it's gonna feel kind of strange, okay? Just relax. Put some pressure on you. Let the muscle relax a little bit. Good. Just like that. That's it. That was very nice. And get your body kind of get used to the distraction. And just relax. Oh, that was a good one. Whew, how was that?
That was crazy.
Oh yes. I call myself the Asian digger in Houston. How about that? Adjust the spine, get the body in proper alignment. Now, we're going to adjust your neck. You're going to hear some popping, okay? Just relax in my hand. Just relax. Awesome. That was a beautiful one. That was a beautiful one. Awesome. No, that one was a beautiful one.
Jeez.
That was beautiful. Now I'm going to adjust your ear. Listen to your spouse or girlfriend, mom on this side, okay? Come on, sit up for me. Okay, turn that way. So put your leg over this way. I'm gonna adjust your shoulder now, okay? How's that feel far? Not bad?
That's good.
That was good, huh? This is awesome stuff. Let's adjust your shoulder here. Just relax. I'm gonna distract and pull. Oh, that was beautiful. How's that feel?
Good.
That's good, huh? Oh, not beautiful thing. Keep your arms up like that. Look up towards the ceiling. Keep your arms up. Up. There we go. Tap your C1, which is the first vertebrae you join. Like that. There we go. Alright, Bo. Now, tell the world what you feel so far. Since you the first adjustment here.
So far, I mean, it's amazing. If anybody out there is thinking about doing this and is having second thoughts, please need to come down here and see Dr. Wong right away.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you. Thank you.